Cordell here, smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website. I have a lot of information on there that talks about buying and managing small apartments that are 5 to 50 units. And this little series of small apartment owner tips, I'm going to talk about the property management company, how to hold their feet to the fire, how to make them accountable, how to make them be on point. And when you hire a property management company, the only way to hold them accountable is to receive weekly reports and rent collection and expenses. You can set up key performance indicators, KPIs, and you should be able to receive reports every Monday. There are companies that use software that records data in real time, and all you need to do is just log in, check the status of investment. And when you sign a contract with a management company, it is advisable that to remove any clauses that will require them to a certain time period to elapse before the contract can be terminated. You should be able to end the relationship within 30 days if you're unhappy. And you should be able to access the funds in the bank account at any time. Some management companies are the only co-signers on the bank account. You want to have your name on the bank account in case you run into a problem with the company. You don't want to be denied access to your own money because your name is not on account. The other clause you could remove is the one that states if you decide to sell the property, the company will become the listing agent. If you like the management company, then you should have the discretion to choose them to list your property. But if they have underperformed for you, why would you reward them? Now, of course, not every property management company does listings. So even if that does happen or it does not happen, regardless, be upfront, have set expectations from the gate, and follow those expectations. That's it for now. I'll see you again later.